How are you all doing, guys? And today we're going to create a classic gin and tonic using Yorkshire Tonic's premium tonic water. So today we've got a O'K's distilled dry gin from Racethorpe Manor. They've been going since 2008 and their gin is absolutely fantastic. And we are here today with our premium Yorkshire tonic. So with this we use Cressea rather than Quinning, so it's not quite as bitter as a usual tonic that you see on the market. So yeah, let's get stuck in. So we'll start with plenty of ice. Then we're going to add a slice as well, followed by our lime cordial, and then 2 shots of the O'K's distilled dry gin to make it a double. Finished off with our absolutely incredible Yorkshire Tonic Premium, which is one of my favourites. Enjoy. So let's go ahead and try some. It's nice and sharp with it being a classic gin and tonic, nice and dry. You've got the lime cordial just balances it out a bit. And again, using the Yorkshire tonic with the Cressea, not the Quinning, it's a little bit more smoother and quite easy drinking, to be fair. It's lovely.